In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to change Far Cry 6 to first person and whether or not it is possible to do this. First, let's talk about the default mode for Far Cry 6. As you might be aware, whenever you start Far Cry 6, the game is going to be automatically set to first person mode. This is the default and how most people know and play Far Cry 6. What you might have noticed, however, is that upon entering one of the major camps inside of the game, your camera is automatically set to third-person mode. Like I said, this is automatic. Immediately upon setting foot on any of the camps, the game is going to go into third-person mode. So as of today, is it possible to switch the game to permanently be on first person or third person, or is there even a setting to toggle between these when you enter a camp? Sadly, as it stands today, it is very unfortunate and very weird, but the way it works is that the game is always set to first person. However, immediately upon entering any of the camps, it is going to go into third person and there is no way to switch between this. Even if you go outside of the camp, there will be no button to toggle between the modes. So as of today, there is no option to change Far Cry 6 to first person or third person. It is automatic and you will not be able to switch between these at will. It makes no sense, but this is how Ubisoft decided to ship the game. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that if you go into the settings, you will notice that there is nothing related to first and third person mode. It is automatic upon entering a camp. Your view is going to be switched to third person mode and you will not be able to change the perspective. You have to let the game decide between first or third person for you. The purpose of this video was to answer any questions that you had about why the game switched to third person. If I was able to answer any of them, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.